looking at part 2 of our Fremont Street experience video. The venerable, somewhat sad Binions. The hotel there has been closed for a number of years. On the side of the street, we have the Golden Nugget. These nice gentlemen playing the buckets. I'm sure they played them better than I could play the buckets. But you get to hear it. And guess what? We're getting into that part of Fremont Street where you're liable to see just about anything. You've always wanted to see one of the members of KISS in a G-string. Well, yeah, there you go. Vegas does still have some pretty easy food cops, I guess I would say. Of course, really maybe just the opposite of Binions. Golden Nugget, still probably the nicest casino, hotel, downtown. I also need money for alcohol research. It's now very late afternoon, just about early evening, so you're starting to see, well, we might call them the freaks come out. This section of Fremont Street does not have as much in the way of hotels, really. You're going to have to go all the way down here to find more of them. More souvenir shops. For the ABC stores coming up. You can buy alcohol there, if you'd like. I would guess many of you would like. And then we have the Golden Gate Hotel coming up here on the left. The oldest hotel in Las Vegas. Right here as you enter Fremont Street, and it has expanded. I understand they are very touchy about people videotaping inside, so if you want to see what it looks like, you don't have to come to Las Vegas. And of course, they have one of these terrific bars where they have the flair bartenders and the big drinks. And of course, lovely women in scantily clad costumes who will provide for your alcoholic need. And yet another stage that will be live later. And at the end of Fremont Street is the Plaza Hotel and Casino. Really an iconic hotel tower. And some great lights. Again, take a look at this later. After dark. Hey! So there you go. It's part 2 of the Fremont Street experience. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.